Solutions of system of linear differential equation. Listen carefully. Here they have given two differential equation, okay, with the boundary conditions. We have to solve these two differential equations simultaneously. In first differential equation, the general solution will be of the form x equal to, because in numerator, that is x is there, t is a dependent upon x, t is a dependent variable, sorry, yes, t is a dependent variable, okay, x is a independent variable. Like that, in second differential equation, the general equation solution will be y equal to, because we have to find the value for y. We have to solve these two simultaneously. But in first equation we can find x and y terms. In second equation also we can find x and y. Solution of system of linear equation, linear differential equation. So here variable x is there, y is there. Here also y and x is there. So first we have to eliminate any one of the variable from 1 and 2. Okay, we can convert d by dt can be written as d. d by dt can be written as d. So dx plus 2y equal to minus sin t. This is a 1. We can give the notation d by dt can be written as dy minus 2x equal to cos t. Take this 2. Listen, here dx is there, here dy is there. If you multiply this equation by 2, it will become 2dx plus 4y minus 2 sin t. So first we have to multiply first equation by 2. So we will get 2dx plus 4y equal to minus 2 sin t. Our prime objective is to eliminate any one of the variable. In second equation, multiply d on both sides, because we will get minus 2dx. In first equation it will be a 2dx, here minus 2dx. If you sum both, these terms will eliminate, that is variable x will get eliminated. Okay, so according to that you have to take the constant or d to multiply any one of equations. Okay, in second equation multiply by d, so d square y minus 2 dx equal to d cos t. Okay, what about d cos t? D represents d by dt, so cos t, differentiation of cos t. What is the differentiation of cos t? Minus sin t. Okay, so d represents differentiation. For that we should not differentiate x, because what is d? D by dt. D by dt differentiate only the t, not other. D by dt differentiate only the variable t, not other. So here cos t is there, that's why it's differentiate cos t. Okay, so instead of d sin cos t we can write minus sin t. The reason is there. Next, add these two. We have to add these two. These two cancel. So remaining things, d square y plus 4y equal to minus 2 sin t minus sin t. If you add these two, what will we will get? Minus 3 times sin t. Add these two. Okay, minus 2 sin t minus sin t. Add these two, minus 3 sin t. Okay. Next, here which one is common? Y is common. So d square plus 4 into y equal to minus 3 sin t. Minus 3 sin t. Okay. So first we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Here only one variable is there, y. T is an independent variable. Okay. T is an independent variable. So we can solve this differential equation. First we have to find complementary function. Complementary function we have to calculate. For that, replace d by m. So m square plus 4 equal to 0. So what about m square? Minus 4. So m equal to plus or minus 2i. Because minus is coming means root of minus 4 can be written as, bring 2 outside, sorry, 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 minus 1, so 2, this is called I. What is the value of root of minus 1? I. Root of minus 1 is, sorry, root of minus 1, I. M equal to plus or minus 2i. M equal to plus or minus 2i. We got two value. M1, sorry, it's a complex root. It is called the complex root. In first problem itself, I have given a note. If the given roots are complex, it is in this form alpha plus or minus I beta. Here alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 2. Beta equal to 2. So the complementary function is, e power alpha x. Here instead of x, here we have to put t, because what is the term is there? Just to see the right side, t. Okay, so t. E power 0 t. Next, into next a cos beta x. What is beta x? What is beta? 2t plus b sin 2t. B sin 2t. So this is a complementary function. This is a complementary function. What about e power 0? 1. E power 0? 1. Okay, this is a complementary function. Next we have to calculate particular integral. Particular integral equal to 1 divided by, bring this term denominator, d square plus 4 minus 3 sin t. So it follows type 2. It follows type 2. Sin t, that means sin 1t. It means sin 1t. Sin 1t means wherever we find d square, we have to replace minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. Suppose sin 2t means wherever we find d square, we have to replace minus 2 square. Minus 2 square. Sin 3t means minus 3 square. Okay, here 1 is there. So replace d square by minus 1 square. Minus never change. Minus never change. Okay, so particular integral equal to 1 by minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 sin t. Minus 3 sin t. Whatever the value, 1 by 3 minus 3 sin t. 3 cancel. So the particular integral equal to minus sin t. Minus sin t. So what is the general solution? General solution, we have to write y equal to. We have to write y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what is a complementary function? What is a complementary function? E power 0 t will be a 1. Remaining terms a cos 2t plus b sin 2t. B sin 2t minus sin t, minus sin t. Next, don't write, just listen. Next we have to calculate x value. Next we have to calculate x value. In book they followed two methods. One is directly we have to substitute the value, y value, substitute here y value, automatically we will get x value. Okay, if you substitute the y value here directly, we will get the x value. That is the one way. Another one way is there. Once again we have to eliminate any one of the variable and follow this type, this method. There are two types available. According to you, which one is easiest one, you can follow. I followed one method, that is substitute the value y here. So take it as equation number 1, 2, 3. Sub 3 in 1. Sub 3 in 1. So substitute here. Dx by dt plus instead of y, what should we have to put? A cos 2t, a cos 2t plus b sin 2t minus sin t equal to right hand side minus sin t, minus sin t. Okay, bring this term right hand side, dx by dt equal to minus sin t, multiple these two inside the bracket, plus 2a cos 2t plus 2b sin 2t minus 2 sin t, minus sin t minus 2 sin t. So dx by dt equal to minus 3 sin t plus 2a cos 2t plus 2b sin 2t. Next, we need x. We need x. So dx integrating on both sides, or simply write one word, dx equal to cross multiple, minus 3 sin t plus 2a cos 2t plus 2b sin 2t into dt, cross multiplication. Just you have to cross multiplication. To get dx, what should we have to do? Integrate on both sides. What is integral dx? So we will get x. So write up to this. If you follow that method, even we will get the answer, but a little bit complicated. We have to always focus the easiest way. So the easiest way is substitute 3 in 2. Substitute 3 in 2. Differentiate with respect to t. Instead of integrating, easily we can differentiate. Okay. So substitute 3 in not 1 but 2. That is the easiest way. So d by dt, instead of y you have to substitute a cos 2t plus b sin 2t minus sin t minus 2x equal to cos t. Listen, differentiate this term with respect to t. So a, what is the differentiation of cos 2t? Minus sin 2t into 2. So the differentiation of cos nx equal to n into cos nx. Sorry, n into minus sin, minus n into sin nx. Differentiation of sin nx equal to n cos nx. So we should know this formula. So instead of n here is 2. Next, plus b into, what is the differentiation of sin 2t? Cos 2t into 2 minus, what is the differentiation of sin t? Cos t. cos t minus 2x equal to cos t. These cos t, sorry, both are same sign, not different sign. Should not cancel. Okay. We need which value? X value. So bring all other terms right side. So minus 2x equal to, keep this term left side, rest of the term bring outside, sorry, right side. Cos t minus will be a plus, bring to first 2a sin 2t, next bring this term right hand side, minus 2b cos 2t, it will be a plus cos t, already cos t is there, sorry, cos t here. Okay. So we need which value? We need which value? X value. So x equal to, bring this term denominator, minus 1 by 2. What is cos t plus cos t? 2 times cos t. 2 cos t plus 2a sin 2t minus 2b cos 2t. So we can take 2 commonly outside or divided by 2. So finally we got x equal to, or multiple minus 1 by 2 inside the bracket. We will get minus cos t minus a sin 2t plus b cos 2t. So this is a value for x. This is a value for x. Now we got value for y and x. Next they are given the boundary condition. We have to apply the boundary condition and find the value of a and b. Okay. Right up to this. In many problems they won't give the boundary conditions. If they didn't give, we have to stop with this. Otherwise we have to proceed. With the help of the boundary conditions, we have to find constant values a, b and substitute the equations. Okay. So first from 3, what is the value? Y of 0 equal to 0. That's also same. Y equal to 0 at t equal to 0. Both are same. Okay. So y of 0 means, actually listen carefully, this can be written as y of t, function in t. Okay. This can be written as y of t, like that. This x can be written as x of t. Okay. So y of 0, instead of t we have to put 0. So a cos 2 into 0 plus b sin 2 into 0. Listen carefully. Minus sin 0 equal to, what is the value? Equal to, what is the value? Y of 0 equal to 0. Okay, 0. So a into, what about cos 0? Cos 0 1. What about sin 0? So a plus b into 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So a equal to 0. So a value 0. Next, from 4, x of t equal to this much value. So we have to calculate x of 0 equal to 1. X of 0 equal to, instead of t we have to substitute 0. So minus cos 0 minus a sin, minus a sin 2 into 0, next plus b cos 2 into 0, we have to equate that 1. We have to equate that 1. Next, cos 0 1. So minus 1 minus a into 0 cos 0 1 plus b equal to 1. So what about b? bring this here, 1 plus 1 be 2. So take it as 5, take it as 6. Okay, substitute sub 5 and 6 in where 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So we got y equal to, what is the value of a? 0. This time will begin 0. What is the value b? 2. 2 sin 2t minus sin t. Next, x equal to minus cos t minus cos t. A, what is the value of a? 0. So this time will begin 0. B value 2 plus 2 cos 2t, cos 2t. If they didn't give boundary conditions, we can stop with this. Otherwise, we have to move like this. Okay.